today is a great day because it was my dream when I was working for big corporates that one day Mecwin also should grow such a way that we will implement SAP in our company. Means whenever we consider an ERP system, the number one is always SAP, and if we are implementing SAP, that means many things are taken care. So for that we have taken help of SkySurge. So how we got into SAP is we searched who are the best implementing agency of SAP ERP solution. First we compared Microsoft, SAP and Oracle. Then in SAP we compared who are all the best implementing agency. To be frank, we went with the platinum partners. So how we generally select is number one. But in case of implementing agency, we took a wrong decision going with some other person who was a platinum partner associated with SAP. So he is having a mentality that SAP means he can mint money. Means for every second he speaks, he will charge. For every email he sends, he will charge. So then we thought, okay, this is not the company where they will work closely with us as a manufacturing association. So we are kind of a down to earth where we want to optimize the cost of implementing systems. So we went into kind of a loss with somebody. But I met Vijay sir some time back. I also had taken some quotations from him, and he was very he knows the manufacturing process very well. But why we went with the other person is because of kind of a branding or what the promotions they did. So then again we called back Vijay sir. We said, sir, we feel SAP is a failure. That's what the first thing. Then he said, why? So then it is not SAP is a failure. The failure is the how we implemented the system, with whom we associated. So then he gave one more presentation to us that you no need to go for a fresh this thing, same licenses, we can re-implement things across 3 plants. So when we asked earlier agency, they said no, only one plant we will give. For one more plant, same cost we'll add, and third plant we don't associate now, we'll go for new licensing. So many confusions. But he made sure that with the same cost and same efforts, he can implement all 3 plants. So what I'm suggesting or what we learned from this process is we no need to go to platinum partners for such medium scale companies, and SAP is not too costly for startups. So, and when you have a confidence that you grow to 100, 500 or 1000 crore company in initial stages, I request all startups to consider SAP implementation when you are small but you have confidence to grow, so that it is easy to implement things faster, and it is easy when you are small to implement, and whatever the cost or system, these things. And we are very thankful to SkySurge team, especially Vijay sir and Sachin sir, who helped us to really make this happen. So I went to completely negative mode in SAP because of earlier experiences, but I re-verified with my team. Everyone is happy, so it's working very good, and the cloud performance is also very good. So I request all startups who are manufacturing industry or kind of a growing industry to implement SAP, and you can consider SkySurge as a trustworthy partner. And I recommend to all my suppliers and customers who are wanting or who are having willingness to implement ERP systems. So thank you very much for the team, sir. And I'm really sorry if I have under pressure, or because the past experience was very bad for us, that I explained, and so that's why I generally put some pressure. And we are very happy. But my pressure is always when you promise and don't deliver. Generally, if you say, my almighty title, if you say that 1st April, it registered in my mind 1st April. Before giving itself, you tell 1st May, 1st June, 1st July. I'll never come. When you say 1st April, all my commercials will hit. Okay, my expenditures are going to increase, and I'm paying there, here, both the places, so all these things. So that's why I till 1st April I never disturb or come or things. So thank you very much for the team, both of you actually, you and so thank you very much. Yeah.
I personally like to thank Shiva sir for giving us an opportunity to implement. As he was telling, like choosing the right partner for the implementation is the first decision which has to be done, irrespective of the product what you're going for. I'm very much excited in announcing the go live for Mecwin Technologies and Propulsions and the entire manufacturing setup, and the mission what Mecwin carries, I think is truly aligned with SkySurge in serving any implementation for manufacturing small and medium enterprises. I would like to thank the entire team in supporting and making this a successful go live.